Hey guys, it's me. Why is she posting a video of randomness after a year of no posting? And what am I doing? Subscribe to her channel because she probably has like 0 subscribers. Ah. Um. Anyways, basically, I posted like 2 videos like a year ago. Um. And since then, I've discovered that my camera is just absolute shit. And so I made myself a SoundCloud because my phone camera and everything is a lot better, but I have a 3, so it doesn't have the flip camera. So I made a SoundCloud. For all of you fucks who don't know what SoundCloud is, maybe I'm the fuck because SoundCloud maybe is irrelevant and I'm just irrelevant. Anyways, SoundCloud is basically YouTube, except it's just audio, no video. And my uh, sound picker upper thingy, I'm really awful at technology, on my phone is 10 bazillion times better, so I just made a SoundCloud. And so my SoundCloud link is in the description. Yeah, that's not my middle finger, I promise. In the description, and I don't have the thing up here. I just got awful technology. So I have it in the description if you want to follow my SoundCloud. I have a lot better quality covers there. So yeah, follow my SoundCloud. That would be awesome. Love you guys. Even though I call you mean name. Love you. Bye.